Hey, drone heads, strap in. We've got some juicy leaks swirling around, and it's all about the DJI Avata 3. Yeah, you heard that right, the Avata 3. And let me tell you, if these rumors are even half true, we're looking at some insane upgrades coming in 2025. You know the drill. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the world of drone rumors. Today, we're talking about the potential game changer, the DJI Avata 3. Now remember, these are leaks, so take it with a grain of salt. But man, if this pans out, we're in for a wild ride. So what's the buzz? Well, the Avata 2 was a hit, right? But the Avata 3? They're aiming to take it to the next level. We're talking camera upgrades, stabilization enhancements, better battery life, the works. Let's start with the camera. The Avata 2 had a decent 1.7-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 60fps HDR video. But rumors are, the Avata 3 is getting a massive upgrade to a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a huge leap. Better image clarity, color accuracy, low-light performance. Basically, aerial filmmakers are going to drool over this. And they might even add raw video support and new color grading profiles. That's a game changer for post-production. Now, stabilization. FPV drones need to be stable, right? The Avata 2 had Rocksteady and Horizon Steady, which were great. But the Avata 3? They're rumored to be going even further, with enhanced EIS and possibly even a mechanical gimbal. That's insane! Imagine, buttery smooth footage even during high-speed maneuvers. And then there's battery life. The Avata 2 got a solid 23 minutes. But rumors are, the Avata 3 is aiming for closer to 30 minutes. That's huge for extended filming sessions. No more rushing to swap batteries. But here's the kicker. Obstacle avoidance. The Avata 2 had limited obstacle detection. But the Avata 3? Rumors are it's getting an omnidirectional sensing system, 360-degree obstacle detection. That's a massive safety upgrade, especially for beginners. And for pros, it means navigating complex environments with ease. And let's not forget transmission. The Avata 2 had the O3 Plus system. But the Avata 3? Rumors are pointing to an even more powerful O4 system. Better connectivity, signal strength, image resolution. That's a must for FPV pilots flying at greater distances. And performance? They're aiming to raise the bar. Improved propulsion systems, optimized aerodynamics, possibly more powerful motors. That means increased speed, agility, responsiveness. Freestyle pilots are going to love this. Look, DJI's always been about making drones accessible, and the Avata 3 is likely to continue that tradition. Refined control systems, improved flight modes, intuitive interfaces, and they might even add AI-powered flight assistance, automated subject tracking, pre-programmed cinematic flight paths. That's making professional quality results accessible to everyone. Now, remember, these are just rumors. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to see what DJI actually delivers. But if these leaks are any indication, we're in for a treat. This could be the biggest FPV drone upgrade of 2025. So, what do you guys think? Are you excited for the DJI Avata 3? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow drone enthusiasts.